Good morning, student. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is method of induction and binomial theorem. In this chapter, we are interested in the result associated with natural numbers. We shall denote the result associated with the natural number n by Pn. In this method, we check whether result Pn is true for all natural number or may be false for the remaining ones. So the method of proving such a result is provided by principle and known as principle of mathematical induction. Now there is a rule of principle of mathematical induction. So we check what is that rule. So first, consider a given statement as Pm. Now step first, for n equal to 1, prove that P of 1 be true. Step second, for n equal to k, assume that P of k be true and write result for P of k. Now in step third, for n equal to k plus 1, prove that P of k plus 1 be true when P of k is true. And last step, that is step 4, by the principle of mathematical induction, P of n be true for all n belongs to natural number. So this is the working rule of principle of mathematical induction. Now there are some example on this principle. So we move towards our new exercise, that is exercise 4.1. So our first example is prove by method of induction for all n belongs to natural 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to so on 2n, which is equal to n plus 1. So we have to prove that this equation, and we can prove this equation by principle of mathematical induction. So in this working rule, first consider a given statement as Pn. So let us start to solve it. So let P of n, which is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2n, which is equal to n plus 1 for all n belongs to natural number. Now step first, for n equal to 1. So step first, for n equal to 1. So take LHS. So here LHS 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. RHS is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So therefore LHS, which is equal to RHS, and therefore P of 1 be true. So our first step is complete here. Now we move towards second step. Step second, for n is equal to k, assume P of k be true. So therefore 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to so on 2k, which is equal to k plus 1. So give it equation first. Now step third, for n is equal to k plus 1. So we have to prove that P of k plus 1 be true. That is to prove that two plus 4 plus 6 plus 2n. So here 2k plus 1, which is equal to n plus 1. So it is k plus 1 and this is k plus 2. Now take LHS. So LHS is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to so on 2k plus 1. So here one step remaining, write 2k plus 2k plus 1. Now you can observe that this 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to so on 2k from given equation first. You can observe its value is k plus 1. So here write k plus 1 plus 2k plus 1. Now k plus 1 common, so here k plus 1 and this is k plus 2. So you can observe that this is RHS. So here LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore P of k plus 1 be true. Now step 4th, by the principle of mathematical induction, P of n be true for all n belongs to natural number. So in this way we prove our result. So it is very easy. You can observe that step first, for n equal to 1 P of 1 be true. Step second, we assume P of k be true, and step third, for n equal to k plus 1 we use here step 2 and then we prove P of k plus 1 be true, and hence by principle of mathematical induction P of n be true for all n belongs to natural number. Now next example. So we have to prove this example and we use here mathematical induction. So let P of n, which is equal to so step first, for n equal to 1, so LHS is equal to 1 square, which is equal to 1. RHS is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 upon 6. So it is 1 plus 1 2, 3, 2 into 3 upon 6, so which is equal to 1. So you can observe that LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore P of 1 be true. Step second, for n equal to k. So in this step assume that P of k be true. So therefore 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus k square, which is equal to k plus 1, 2k plus 1 upon 6, and give it equation give it equation first. Now step third, for n equal to k plus 1, we have to prove that P of k plus 1 be true. That is to prove that so instead of k we have to prove that k plus 1. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to so on k plus 1 square, which is equal to k plus 1. Next k plus 1 plus 1, and here 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 upon 6. So here k plus 1, so I am writing here, therefore that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus k plus 1 square, which is equal to k plus 1, k plus 2, and this is 2k plus 2 plus 1 means 2k plus 3 upon 6. So now we have to prove that this is LHS and this RHS. We have to prove that LHS equal to RHS. So consider this LHS and then prove this RHS. So this is over LHS side, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to so on k plus 1 square, but before k plus 1 square there is k square. And you can observe that from equation first, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square equal up to so on k square, which is equal to k plus 1, 2k plus 1 upon 6. So value of this is this. Now put this value in this LHS side. So you get k plus 1, 2k plus 1 upon 6, and this remaining k plus 1 whole square. You can write here from equation first. So here k plus 1 and k plus 1. So take common k plus 1, remaining k 2k plus 1 upon 6 plus k plus 1. So therefore k plus 1, now cross multiply, or this 6k into 6k plus 1 and this k, so it is 2k square plus k plus 6k plus 6 upon 6. So take this 6 common, k plus 1 upon 6. Now remaining 2k square plus 7k plus 6. So this is quadratic equation. Now solve this quadratic equation. So it is 2k square plus 7k plus 6, which is equal to 0, suppose. Then its factor 2k square, 2 into 6 is 12. So multipliers are 4 into 3. So therefore 2k square plus 4k plus 3k plus 6, which is equal to 0. Take 2k common, so here k plus 2 and here 3 common, so this is k plus 2, which is equal to 0. So it implies that k plus 2 and 2k plus 3. So factors of this quadratic equation is k plus 2, 2k plus 3. Now write this. So it is k plus 1, k plus 2, 2k plus 3, and this upon 6. So it is RHS. Thus P of k plus 1 be true. And step 4th, by principle of mathematical induction, P of n be true for all n belongs to natural number. So you can observe by using Step 1 mathematical induction, step 1, step 2, step 3. We prove this equation is true for all n belongs to natural number. Now next example, we can prove this example by mathematical induction. So let us start to solve it. Let P of n, which is equal to plus for all n belongs to natural number. So step first, for n equal to 1. So therefore LHS is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, and RHS is equal to 1 upon 3 in 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 2. So this is 2 into 3 upon 3, which is equal to 2. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS, and therefore P of 1 be true. Now step second, for n equal to k, assume P of k be true. So therefore 1.2 plus 2.3 plus 3.4 plus k plus 1, which is equal to k upon 3, k plus 1, and this k plus 2. So give it equation first. Now step 3. So step third, for n is equal to k plus 1. We have to prove that P of k plus 1 be true. That is to prove that, so instead of n we have to prove k plus 1. So it is 1.2 plus 2.3 plus 3.4 plus k plus 1, and next k plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to k plus 1 upon 3, next k plus 1 plus 1, and here k plus 1 plus 2. So means that is to prove that (1.2) plus 2.3 plus 3.4 plus k plus 1. 1 plus 1 means k plus 2. This is k plus 1 upon 3. This is 1 plus 1 2, so it is k plus 2. This is 2 plus 1 means k plus 3. So now we have to prove this LHS equal to RHS. So consider LHS side. So this is 1.2 plus 2.3 plus 3.4 plus up to so on. So here we add some number which is k plus 1, and then k plus 1, k plus 2. Now you can observe that the value of this is from equation first is what? K upon 3, K plus 1, K plus 2. So put this value in this equation, that is K upon 3, K plus 1, K plus 2, and remaining values K plus 1, K plus 2. So write from 1. Okay. Now K plus 1 and this K plus 1, K plus 2 and K plus 2 common, so take outside. Now remaining factors K upon 3 and here remaining only 1. So this is K plus 1, K plus 2, cross multiply, so it is K plus 3 upon 3. So this is K plus 1 upon 3, K plus 2, K plus 3. Now you can observe that this is RHS. So write here RHS, means here we prove LHS equal to RHS, therefore P of K plus 1 be true. Now step 4th. So by principle of mathematical induction, P of n be true for all n belongs to natural number. So we prove this equation by mathematical induction, and this is true for all natural number. So you can observe that step 1 for n equal to 1, LHS equal to RHS. Then in step 2nd we assume n equal to k and we assume P of k be true. Then in step 3rd for n equal to k plus 1 we prove P of k plus 1 be true. So today we stop here. In next lecture we continue same exercise. Thank you.